Hey everyone, welcome. Mike and I are going to walk through some work we've been doing on creating a monitoring dashboard for all of our data science models. So over the past 4 years, we've built a really nice suite of data science models, and the more models that we build, the harder it is to monitor what's going on with these models. Do they need to be retrained? Is there an issue? Is there a data integrity issue? Are we seeing drift in the model? And so what we wanted to build out was a kind of a systematic, more or less automated way to monitor the models that we have in production so we can better prioritize what models need retrained, what models might need attention, just to give us a better understanding of what's going on. So we're just not maybe needlessly retraining models um, or waiting too long to retrain a model until something goes wrong. So actually use Claude to kind of scope out what we want this dashboard to look like. And this is kind of the end goal where at a glance we can see all of our models in production and various metrics on how well they're doing so we can better plan when a model needs retrained or needs attention. And so we can monitor a bunch of different metrics about the model and really kind of dive in and see if the model is underperforming, how exactly is it underperforming, and how we can best go about to correct that. So we put together these mock-ups. I've spent the last couple of weeks pulling additional data that we need to generate these dashboards. And then I've turned all that data over to Mike, and Mike has been starting to put together the dashboard elements in Tableau. So I'll turn it over to Mike, and Mike will discuss that part of the project.
Okay, thanks, Kevin. So like Kevin said, last couple of weeks, we've been working on the model monitoring data right now. So let me just share my screen. So mainly, actually, Kevin provide the data from from his model, including all the metrics, and also compare the prediction versus the actual result. So we start and can modify the monitor data, the performance. So one actually we have two mock-up we did. So one actually is model monitoring dashboard design, which is similar to this one here. So we're gonna pick model from the top. Then we have the key metrics in here. For example, the green one means it's good. The feature drifting with red means when you look into it. And here's the performance metrics over. And so there's 4 underneath it. So you pick model there's a drop-down box on top to pick which model you want to look into more. So I'd have a similar markup to this with performance drifting, population stability, and the concept drifting here. And yesterday we just got, Kevin provided more data yesterday. So I'm going to slowly change this to so this is already tied to a Google Sheet provided by Kevin. But we have more detailed data coming. So we're going to switch this to more detail. There's another mockup we did is this one. This is going to be the main entry page. On the main entry page, we actually can see all the model. We don't have to select which model. Pretty much all the model performance and which model doing going to be good or healthy or critical overall performance. And then underneath here going to be linked to the sub dashboard we just showed you before. So I have a mockup for that one too. So going to be this one. So going to be the overall health performance and which one need a requirement, and each model underneath. After you clicked, you go back to the detail of each model and just to look into more how the performance goes and which one need attention and which need to be improved. So that's my part. Let me go back to Kevin. So
Yep, and I would say I think we'll have a lot more to share next month. We hope to have this built out as a proof of concept for our propensity to expand model, and then we're going to roll it out to the additional models thereafter. So yeah, we'll have a lot more to show next month. Thanks.
thank you so much.